Hey guys, hope you are all doing absolutely amazing. काफी टाइम था and a lot of people had wanted to watch the this breakdown of this particular infield. ठीक है, one of the infields, I would not say the best. I would say good game in terms of persistence and everything. But yeah, so just some people wanted infields इस तरीके की, तो I just wanted to record this one. And a lot of guys were like, "Bhai, how does a rejection really look like when you get rejected? How is it like exactly? Rejections की compilation बनाओ." This is one such infield. अब a lot of things are going to happen here. First thing is guys कि क्योंकि इस वाली इनफील्ड में रिजल्ट ये हुआ कि भाई कोई क्लोज नहीं हुआ, ठीक है. आई कुडंट टेक द इंस्टा, आई कुडंट टेक द नंबर, एनीथिंग. A lot of people will be like, भाई बट एक कन्वर्सेशन तो थी, क्या बात कर रहे हो भाई. दिस इज हाउ रिजेक्शंस लुक, बिकॉज a lot of people will be like, ये रिजेक्शन थोड़ी है, ये तो बात करी लड़की ने. This is how rejections look, and this is what we consider a rejection. ठीक है. If we are not able to take the conversation all the way, we consider it a rejection. It's not like कि भाई तुमने बंदी से बात करी और उसने respond नहीं किया. She didn't really get to see your personality. This was a rejection, but you see how beautiful the conversation was still. ठीक है. इस conversation को देख करके कोई ये नहीं कह सकता कि भाई this girl is not interested, ये सब वो सब. I mean, we will talk about the technicals further, but the point is this is a rejection, and you will see how gracefully it went, right? Technical wise, you know, in terms of what I could have done and everything, this was more or less on point. Okay? Maybe a few things to correct, which I'll mention in the video, but like point being, this is how a rejection looks like, and this is how your conversations can go. Like literally every conversation, if you have the skill set. Whether you get rejected or not, that's secondary. The point being, कि mainly you can improve your skill set to the point कि तुम्हारी conversations इस तरीके से जाएं, ठीक है? So without a further ado, let me just step right into it. तो basically ये हुई थी हमारे boot camp से एक दिन पहले. मेरा जो 3-day boot camp था जिसमें कि basically कई सारे clients के instant dates थी and everything. On that note, if you guys want to register for the boot camp, you can just fill the form and just उससे कर सकते हो. But yeah, boot camp पे काफी clients के results वगैरह आते हैं. तो boot camp से पहले to get into the flow, we just do a trial run of just कि infields कैसे record होंगी, camera setup वगैरह सही है कि नहीं, audio setup वगैरह कैसा है, and all of that stuff, ठीक है. तो उसके लिए हमने बेसिकली उससे एक दिन पहले हम बस एक ट्रायल रन करते हैं, where we just kind of do a few approaches, record a few infields, so that we just have content for some time. तो ये उस दिन की अप्रोच है, just one day before the boot camp. There are a lot of infields coming up by the way, because boot camp पे हमने काफी सारी approaches करी थी clients के साथ. So we have a lot of 2 sets, a lot of single sets, काफी सारी बंदियां हैं, काफी सारी conversations हैं, काफी अच्छी. So you will get to see those. तो point भी कि हाँ यार, तो उससे पहले ये conversation करी थी, तो just kind of check the camera and everything. And basically क्या है कि we were just doing our thing, where like यार वीडियो की क्वालिटी अच्छी आ रही है, ये सब वो सब अच्छा है, रात में कैसे रिकॉर्ड करें. And all of a sudden my cameraman sees this pretty girl. He's like, अरे वो देखो, ठीक है, because I was focused on the footage कि भाई footage कैसी आ रही है, हम उसी पे डिस्कस कर रहे थे. And like यार वो देखो pretty बंदी, कि वो देखो यार बंदी है, सब वो सब. And I was like, ठीक है, इसको तो ओपन करना पड़ेगा, because she was pretty hot. Like CP के स्टैंडर्ड्स के हिसाब से she was pretty hot. प्रॉपर हील्स पहन करके, लेदर जैकेट था या फिर प्रॉपर लाइक ब्लेजर था. Looked kind of classy formal. And a very pretty girl, बहुत सही गोरी चिट्टी and heels पहन करके, and I was like, भाई इस बंदी को तो अप्रोच करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. The area was not very good, ठीक है. So I was like, ठीक है यार, फिर भी अप्रोच करते हैं. So I went and I opened, ठीक है. So this is kind of the gist of the conversation. She was walking a little too fast, but मैंने कहा भाई she's hot, she's pretty, so I have to approach her. There is no option that I can. ठीक है. So then the open starts. Excuse me. Hi. यार, you actually look like that TV actress. एक उस टीवी चैनल पे आई थी. She's a news reporter. You exactly look like almost, मतलब not 100% यार. What a second, I was like, oh my God. So you notice the opener, ठीक है. Actually, let me just continue. But finally, I have seen that actress because I'm such a big fan of her. यार. अब इस पे इसने कुछ पूछा तो यहाँ पे मैं पॉज करता हूँ. So listen, notice करो मेरा opener. Excuse me, hi, यार, you look like that actress. There is this actress that I used to see on television. Free flow. Open करते ही free flow. I didn't wait for her to say, yes, hi. नहीं. I opened and I free flowed. I didn't wait for her to say yes. I didn't wait for her to accept me. That is how you should open. बहुत सारे clients के साथ, बहुत सारे बंदों के साथ पता है क्या दिक्कत होती है? वो open करते हैं, excuse me, लड़की कहती है yes, hi. Then girl says hi and then they talk. The problem with that is कि अगर if the girl doesn't say yes, doesn't say please yes, tell me, तब तक वो बात नहीं start करते. And that's a problem, because basically what they're doing is waiting for permission. And when they wait for permission, they are thinking they're logical. They're not really giving anything to the girl to kind of react. You should give your personality to the girl so that she can make a decision of whether she likes you or not. Because देखो भाई, अगर तुम इस तरीके से चल रहे हो कि यार excuse me, hi, can I talk to you? Can I talk to you for 2 seconds? So what type of personality are you showing her? A guy of a weak personality, a guy who basically asks for permission, a guy who's not sure of himself. ये सारा का सारा. So what you rather need to do is basically give her a personality, give her a sample of your personality where she can actually see how you react, how you talk and ये सब वो सब, ठीक है? तो ये सब कुछ सिर्फ तभी हो पाएगा when you go all in, and most of the guys don't do that. तो notice कि मेरे पूरे opener में I was just speaking the whole time, and I was speaking with energy. It's not like I was like, oh excuse me, hi, actually I just, कई लोगों के साथ ये होता है, they open with like, oh excuse me, hi, I just, and जैसे बंदी का अच्छा response आया, and you know what, I was like, this is, ये भी गलत है. You should open with full conviction, with full belief that you are going to attract this girl, this girl belongs to you, she's your girl, ठीक है? And उसी तरह मैंने open किया, oh my god, you look like that character from that, and कि मैं चाह रहा था कि कभी ये, and that's why she asked the question. She wouldn't have asked the question अगर मैं इससे starting करता, oh excuse me, hi, इस type की बंदी, ये बंदी जो थी, she wouldn't have responded to that, ठीक है? So you go all in at the approach itself. You do not wait. You do not wait for her permission. You do not wait for her like, okay, let her accept me. If she is fine, then I'll talk. You just go all in anyways. Okay? And then I was like, इतना बड़ा opener करा. And then she was like, what is her name? और मुझे सुनाई दिया, what is your name? तो मुझे लगा ये बंदी तो hook हो गई. Like, निशांत, hi.
What's your name?
Nishant, hi, what's your name?
No, not yours. I mean the.
अब देखो, ये बंदी hot है, बंदी अच्छी खासी दिखने वाली है, ठीक है? So एक सेकंड, तो फिर उसमें क्या हुआ कि जैसे ही इसने मैंने बोला ना कि अच्छा hi, what's your name? तो she's like, oh, not your name, her name, the actress that you're talking about. I got shit यार. So अब पता है क्या होता है यहाँ पे लोगों का, जैसे कोई बंदी सुंदर है बहुत है और उसने पूछा अच्छा what's her name, और तुम्हें सुनाई दिया what's your name, like hi, I'm Nishant. She's like no, not your name, her name. तो disappointed है, like अरे उसका नाम तो यार ये है. मेरे केस में I was just pointed back to her, shit यार, you're so bad. तुमने मेरे को उम्मीद दी, and you're like अच्छा what's your name, and then तुमने उसको पीछे खींच लिया सब. So basically this is banter rather than going a logical way, because इस पे एक बहुत logical conversation हो सकती थी. Hi, my name is Nishant. No, not your name, her name. Oh, her name यार, I don't remember her name. बस अब पता है क्या हो रहा है, हम बात कर रहे हैं उस एक्ट्रेस की, उस रिपोर्टर की, ठीक है? इंटेंट क्लियर नहीं है. इंटेंट क्लियर क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि भाई it seems like you approached her because you want to talk about that actress. If she looks like her, and also if she looks like an actress, you're putting her on a pedestal. For me, it was just an opener. It was just an opener. Even before she can latch onto that, I'll change the topic. I'll not even fucking talk about that topic because मुझे उस पे बात नहीं करनी है, ठीक है? So that. तो basically ये. तो I was like ये सब तो यार तुमने ऐसे करा.
That was so bad. You gave me hope and like नहीं बिल्कुल भी नहीं. What's your name?
अब I was like फिर भी देखो, this is direct, this is unapologetic. तुमने यार ऐसी होप दी है. अब कई बंदे क्या करेंगे ये सब बोलने के बाद, they will still answer the girl's question because they're like अरे लड़की ने यार सवाल तो पूछ रखा है, लड़की ने पूछा था, अरे यार क्या हुआ, क्यों बात कर रहे हो यो. So they would literally ask, basically answer her question later कि actually यार वो actress है वो. I changed the topic because I don't want to talk about it. I'm like what's your name? सीधे intent, ठीक है? बहुत unapologetically what's your name, क्योंकि मेरे को लड़की से बात करनी है, लड़की के बारे में. I don't want to talk about some fucking actress. ठीक, being absolutely unapologetic about that. तो उसने बताया उसका नाम क्या है.
I'm Nishant. नहीं कोई कैंसर नहीं है कोई.
Shake hands.
मतलब you are a.
So basically I was like what's your कि hi, तो उसने अपना नाम बताया, hi, I'm Nishant. हैंडशेक करे, तो उसने हाथ नहीं मिलाया, ठीक है? एक चीज और देखो इस पे, I didn't like, उसने बोला आपका नाम है, अच्छा hi, my name is Nishant. ये नहीं, क्योंकि इसमें क्या है ना, तुम्हारा होप ज्यादा है हाथ पे, मेरा आई कांटेक्ट, hi निशांत. उसने हाथ नहीं मिलाया, it's okay, I don't have cancer, it's okay, I don't have any STDs anything. तो उस पे कह रही है I cannot shake hands. अब ये बंदी ना ज्यादा she was trying to play a little too cool. She was kind of trying to, कैसे बोले, मतलब she was trying to kind of maintain that persona, ठीक है? You'll get to know later कि ये बंदी कोई बहुत बड़ी Instagram influencer वगैरह थी. I didn't know that at that time because I don't even fucking use Instagram. And है भी तो भी क्या यार, क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है? तो she's kind of trying to play into that role of कि I am the Instagram influencer, मैं तो बहुत cool हूँ. तो she's like not shaking hands, she's like acting cool and everything. तो जैसे ये हुआ ना कि क्या कहते हैं, this is something that one of my mentors, OG mentors, taught me. तो कि basically hi Nishant, she didn't shake the hand, she's like I cannot shake hands. तो eye contact maintain रखते ठीक है? This is one of like this is something that one of my mentors taught me. Great fucking guy. उसने मेरे को ये सिखाया था कि basically like if you talk to a girl, you maintain eye contact, like hi, what's your name, ये वो. And she's like I cannot shake hands. तो कुछ बिना उसको address करे you just do like this. If she doesn't do this, you do like this. भाई साहब. And like this again made a difference. फिर उसने fist bump किया. So that's kind of her accepting some sort of physicality. ठीक है? तो अब इस पे मैंने कहा कि are you like अब obviously I'll address it कि यार मतलब ये तो बहुत ही weird है because it seems like the conversation is going fine. She is smiling because she was smiling. इसमें infield में दिखेगा but she was smiling. ठीक है? तो इस सब के बाद like this was weird, so I just address it.
Very, how do I say? Like, are you? Do you have like allergy or something towards things? अच्छा, you are like a very cautious person. You also don't use credit cards. You just do like ठीक है यार.
तो यहाँ पे तुमने नोटिस किया उसके बाल ऐसे ऐसे हंसी थोड़ा सा, ठीक है. सो शी इज बेसिकली ट्राइंग टू रेजिस्ट इट एज मच एज पॉसिबल, बट वही है कि शी इज गेटिंग ड्रॉन इनटू द कन्वर्सेशन. थोड़ा थोड़ा हो रहा है, ठीक है. आई विल नॉट एग्जैजरेट इट एनी मच कि इट्स लाइक कि भाई बहुत पागल हो रखी लड़की, नहीं यार. She has to maintain that persona. She is trying to maintain that persona, but like, ठीक है, she is kind of getting attracted as well, and वो just accept नहीं करना चाहती है, and she is kind of playing hard to get. That being said, भाई ठीक है, ये बंदी की मर्जी है. I cannot be like कि भाई she is a bitch for doing that. नहीं bro, उसकी choice है. If she doesn't want to talk, it's her decision. My role या my job is basically कि I go and approach her. I go for what I want, and I'll go all in for it. I'll not be like if you don't want to talk, नहीं यार. I want to talk to her. I'll talk to her. If she wants, she can leave. ठीक है, absolutely. तो आई एम लाइक अरे यार अच्छा तो तुम ऐसा सीन है वो शी इज लाइक क्या एक्चुअली है वो तो मैंने मजाक उजाक करा तो शी स्माइल्स. अब यहाँ पे देखो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन. एक्चुअली दिस इज अ प्रीटी गुड इनफील्ड यार, स्किल सेट वाइज तो दिस इज अ वेरी गुड इनफील्ड. अब ये देखो यहाँ पे तुम्हें ये दिख रहे हैं दो अंकल आंटी, ठीक है. ये हैं बेगर्स, मतलब बेगर्स या फिर बेसिकली जो वही होते हैं वहीं पे चंदा मांगने वाले, ऐसे ऐसे खाना खिला दो बेटा, ये सब वो सब. तो ये आए और ठीक है. अब देखो एक और चीज, I would not have helped them. और पता है इसमें बंदे क्या कहेंगे कि भाई इनकी हेल्प कर देता. एक बंदे ने कमेंट कर रखा था कि भाई इनकी हेल्प कर देता. भाई मैं सीपी पे गेम बहुत टाइम कर चुका एंड आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट कि ये लोगों के साथ क्या है ना भाई. What I'll tell you what they do. By this time they know that pickup artists come to CP. They know by this time कि मैं CP पे आता हूँ. कई सारे वहाँ पे जो हिजड़े होते हैं वो लोग मेरे को लिटरली जानते हैं, उनसे मैं हाय हेलो करता हूँ, वो जानते हैं मेरे को. अब इतना मैं गेम कर चुका हूँ सीपी पे, वो मेरे को पर्सनली जानते हैं, ठीक है. They don't approach my sets, they don't enter my sets and everything because they know कि अरे यार ये तो गेम कर रहा है, ठीक है. और वो तो कई बार चिढ़ाते भी जाते हैं कि क्या हुआ कोई लड़की नहीं मिली क्या, आज नहीं मिली लड़की, ऐसे तो इस तरीके से. तो आई नो दीज गाइस, मतलब आई डोंट नो दीज गाइस पर्सनली एज एन, आई मीन देयर आर सम गाइस जो मेरे से रोज मिलते हैं, बट इनको मैं जानता हूँ कि ये पैसे मांगना है, चंदा मांगना है. सो नोटिस हाउ आई हैंडल दैम, ठीक है. ये आएंगे, दे विल बी लाइक बेटा ये वो. अब तुम इनसे एंगेज करोगे ना तो ये रोने लग जाएंगे, कुछ नाटक करने लग जाएंगे, ऐसा कुछ करने लग जाएंगे, ठीक है. वहां पे यू डोंट पे अटेंशन टू देम एट ऑल बिकॉज द सिचुएशन इज एनीवेज गोना गेट वियर्ड अगर तुम इनसे बात करोगे तो. You don't pay attention to them at all. वो कुछ बोल रहे हैं, अरे पता है क्या, मैं तो यार वहां पे गया था चाइना में क्या चाय बनती है, मैंने पी चाय, मैंने कहा oh my god this is the best tea I've ever tried. इस तरीके से करके you have to go all in on that. एक चीज और, I didn't also address them because of another reason that I felt that the set is not as hooked. Well, she doesn't have a lot of reason to stay in the conversation. That's kind of what I felt, and that is why I was like, ठीक है भाई, I have to go all in, ठीक है. So I didn't even address them because of that. And फिर क्या हुआ मैं बता रहा हूँ, frame battle, ठीक है. It is what we call frame. कि किसकी reality ज्यादा strong है. My reality is कि I am the shit, I am talking to this girl, this is my girl, and तुम लोगों को मैं देख भी नहीं रहा, you guys don't exist. And उनकी frame थी कि अरे भाई हम तो पैसे लेते हैं. अब मेरी frame ज्यादा strong थी because I didn't even address them and they left. So this is what will happen. See. अब यहाँ पे तुम देखोगे एक तरीके की रैप गॉड वाली बैटल होगी, बेसिकली रैप बैटल होगी. मैं लड़कियों को बोल रहा हूँ, ये मेरे को बोल रहे हैं इस तरीके से.
तो कैश ट्रांजैक्शन ही करनी है, तो ज्यादा सेफेस्ट.
Not
अच्छा, क्या you look like that न्यूज़ एक्टर है. I have no idea about her name यार. Because मेरे को बस ये चीज पता है कि she has to kind of tell the weather and वो बहुत अच्छे से बता दी थी. तो like oh my god. ठीक है यार, ठीक है. Finally I have seen her. because जब मैं छोटा था ना, I used to watch all the news reporting and everything of her. तो हर बार बता.
एक चीज और मेरे को पता है, it might seem like कि मेरा सारा फोकस बंदी पे है, बट आई एम वेरी मच अवेयर ऑफ माय सराउंडिंग्स इन द सेंस कि मेरे को नोटिस हुआ था जब उस अंकल ने हल्का सा यूं मोशन किया था जाने का, तो आई कुड टेल फॉर अ फैक्ट कि ये बंदा चला जाएगा अगर मैं थोड़ी देर और इसको होल्ड करूंगा तो, ठीक है. एंड आई नो दिस टू बी अनकंफर्टेबल सिचुएशन फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, बट भाई दिस इज हाउ यू नो इंटरैक्ट विद पीपल इन रियल लाइफ, ठीक है. यू हैव टू फाइंड सॉल्यूशंस टू प्रॉब्लम्स. दिस वाज अ प्रॉब्लम, आई सॉल्व्ड इट, ठीक है. क्योंकि अगर देखो, अगर मैं उससे एंगेज करता भाई मेरे पैसे जाते वगैरह वगैरह. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ गाइज आस्क ब्रो कि गेम महंगी चीज है क्या. ब्रो गेम महंगी नहीं है. तुम्हें बाहर जाना है, तुम्हें लड़कियों से बात करनी है, लड़कियों से बात करने के कोई पैसे नहीं लगते, और पब्लिक प्लेस पे घूमने के कोई पैसे नहीं लगते, इन सब चीजों के कोई पैसे नहीं लगते. बट इस तरीके से भाई लोग पे कर देते हैं. आई हैव सीन सो मेनी गाइज हु हैव गर्लफ्रेंड्स. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट ब्रो. तुम्हारी बंदी है जो जिसके साथ तुम कई महीने रह चुके हो, एंड फिर ऐसे लोग आते हैं तुम्हें पैसे मजबूरी में देने पड़ते हैं. भाई किस टाइप के इंसान हो तुम, किस टाइप के मर्द हो तुम भाई. मतलब see if you want to give then it's fine. If you are really giving it because भाई तुम्हें दया आ रही है, तुम चाहते हो देना, ठीक है. If you are giving it because you cannot handle it, bro, you are just a pussy. ठीक है. Let me be honest here. So the point is कि यार अगर तुम्हें नहीं देना तो मत दो ना. And you need to handle it. You need to know how to handle it. भाई बंदे ऐसे होते हैं जिनके बंदियां हैं. They have had sex with that girl. They have been with that girl for so long. And वो ये भीख मांगने वाले आते हैं. And they just end up paying because उनको पता नहीं है. And 200, 300 रुपए ले लेते हैं इन लोगों से. See, I'm not so much about the money. The point is कि भाई why you cannot handle this situation. You should handle this situation. You should know how to handle a social situation. भाई तुम गेम सीख रहे हो, ठीक है. So that's how I handled it. And पूरे time I was just free flowing. कुछ नहीं है. एक चीज और, You guys will notice that I'm talking a lot in this video. In this video, मतलब इस infield में. Why? Simply because of the fact that the girl is not investing a lot because she has to maintain that persona. Because she's in her head. She's like यार ये मेरे साथ वैसे क्यों नहीं respond कर रहा जैसे कि बाकी मेरे fans करते हैं, बाकी सारे लोग करते हैं. He's just being so confident, he's being so chill. Right? She's surprised by that, which is a good thing. ठीक है? So that's why she's not investing a lot, and that is why I am speaking so much. I am basically giving her a lot of material कि वो किसी चीज पे grab on करे and फिर वो उस पे बात करे.
अभी आज बारिश हो रही है shit यार बारिश हो रही है. I feel like आज धूप है. It was like a very good time for me. I have very fond memories of it. Because this time पे like I used to stay with my family. Right. So a lot has changed since then. And kind of those were the meals that came back all. Are you like a pahadi?
Why did I ask a question? Because मैं देख रहा हूँ कुछ कर नहीं रही. Then I kept on saying for some time, but I was like, ठीक है, let me ask a question. Because if I keep on speaking, that's also weird. But like ठीक है, ठीक है, देखो कई situations में I'll keep on speaking, ठीक है. And इस situation में I just thought it was a better decision to not speak, right? तो बस वही है. I just asked the question and let's see what she says.
What are you? Mermaid?
made a joke because I was like, what are you? I didn't get much of a good response. She's like, कुछ ऐसा बोला. तो फिर मैंने बोला a mermaid. That is funny to me. ठीक है. तो वही है. Basically humor humor. So focus. Notice that in this conversation, although technically जो मैं चीजें कर रहा हूँ, that might make her laugh, that might make her feel this, that. Most of the things that I'm doing, those are making me laugh, make me feel good. And that is where your game should be aimed at. To make you feel good, to make you feel a certain way, not towards making the girl feel a certain way, because तुम नहीं जानते सामने वाला इंसान कैसा है. हो सकता है सामने वाला इंसान ऐसा हो भाई कि उसको इस तरीके के जोक्स ना पसंद हो सकता है उसको इस तरीके के जोक्स ऑफेंसिव लगते हो. तो तुम्हारे कंट्रोल में क्या है कि तुम्हें ये पता हो कि तुमको क्या पसंद है. If you like such jokes, make such jokes. Laugh. Do things that make you feel better, make you feel funny. That is what is the goal. Yeah. The goal is not that she finds it funny. Yeah, she will find it funny if you find it funny. So yeah.
I'm just a normal woman.
Obviously, you are a normal human being. I thought you were a हरियाणवी या फिर दोनों के दो. क्योंकि तुम्हें दिल्ली के लोग इतने गोरे नहीं दिखते. दिल्ली में जो इतनी धूप है ना खतरनाक. इधर they get totally black. या फिर ऐसा होता है कि eventually they lose hope and they just travel somewhere. कि weather if you have sad hair like probably
Police verification.
तुम्हारे parents, grandparents, everyone feels that. How does that feel? To just be a local Delhi. So you have no origin story.
Most of the time कुछ बोल ही नहीं रही है. Like, she is trying to kind of act cool and shit. And एक और चीज, you guys might be like she doesn't want to talk, right? Say, देखो, whether she wants to talk or not is pretty much irrelevant because I want to talk to her. ठीक है? Me starting a conversation puts no objective on her. Basically, no. Me starting a conversation puts no obligation on her to talk to me. She can leave at any time. People will be like, but you are speaking and everything, bro. She can still leave. अगर तुमसे कोई भिखारी आकर के बात करता है तो it's not like you stay and talk. ठीक है? You can choose to leave any time. So this is a very, very invalid argument why she doesn't want to talk. She is staying because you are making her stay. What the fuck? If she wants to leave, she can leave, bro. She is strong enough. She's capable enough. वो जॉब कर रही है भाई बंदी सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर है अच्छे खासे लाख रुपए कमा रही है. डू यू थिंक दैट शी इज नॉट केपेबल ऑफ वॉकिंग अवे? डू यू थिंक उसके ऑफिस में उसके ऊपर बंदे हिट नहीं करते? डू यू थिंक उसका बॉस उस पे हिट नहीं करता इतनी सुंदर इतनी हॉट बंदी पे? ब्रो शी नोज हाउ टू हैंडल हरसेल्फ. ठीक है? इफ शी वांट्स टू लीव शी कैन लीव. देयर इज अ रीजन शी इज स्टेइंग. ठीक है? आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट इट इज अट्रैक्शन 100%, बट बेसिकली शी इज गेजिंग. शी इज सीइंग इफ दिस इज अ कन्वर्सेशन वर्थ हर टाइम. एंड इट्स फाइन. शी कैन टेक हर टाइम. एज लॉन्ग एज आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट, एज लॉन्ग एज मेरी फ्रेम नहीं लूज होती, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. ठीक है?
लगता नहीं है काश बैटमैन की तरह मेरी भी एक स्टोरी होती.
तो टीजिंग हर ऑन द फैक्ट कि उसकी I teased her on the fact कि भाई उसकी like origin story कोई गजब नहीं है. She is just like a Delhi height local है ये सब.
खिलौना, बैग, पर्स आदि बम हो सकते हैं. इन्हें नजरअंदाज ना करें.
अभी notice she is laughing a little bit. थोड़ी बहुत giggling कर रही है. थोड़ी बहुत ही कर रही है भाई. I'm really pushing hard here कि भाई किसी तरीके से कोई reaction है. ये सब मतलब ठीक है.
तुरंत थाने या पुलिस या
एक चीज और, the reason there is so bad audio in this infield as well is because वही मेरे को यार सेटअप पता नहीं क्या था, खराब हो गया था, कुछ हो गया था और मे बी और पीछे वो दिल्ली पुलिस वाला भी बज रहा है इतने टाइम के लिए. तो that's also why the audio is bad. I think मैं फोन में ही रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था अपने मोबाइल में.
Working on it sometimes.
What do you do?
Very clear. What do you do? Changing topics immediate. What do you do? What do you do? Usually लोग क्या करते हैं ना, अगर हॉट बंदी होती है ना तो उनकी फट जाती है और वो कन्वर्सेशन बहुत अलग लेके जाते हैं. they don't have a normal conversation with the girl. जैसे तुम किसी और बंदी से करते ना तुम उस तरह नहीं करते. And भाई hot बंदियाँ can exactly tell this कि भाई इस बंदे को ये बंदा मेरे से अलग तरीके से बात कर रहा है. And भाई they don't find it attractive. Rather you'll be surprised जब तुम hot बंदी से normal लड़की की तरह बात करोगे ना जिस तरह normal लड़की से करते हो. So they get super attractive because उनसे कोई वैसे बात करता ही नहीं. ठीक है तो that's why she's like still staying. She's willing to talk.
लावारिस वस्तु को न
You're a
छुएं।
software engineer.
बस में
Seriously.
यात्रा करते समय
You know what I used to do?
आसपास देखें, कोई लावारिस वस्तु तो नहीं है।
I hated it.
कोई
I just
संदिग्ध
hated that.
वस्तु नजर आए,
I'm surprised how you were able to.
पुलिस या
अब she's like I'm a software engineer. अब I was also a software engineer. तो भाई यहाँ पे ना कई लोग क्या करेंगे अरे I am also a software engineer. अच्छा do you do this? अरे I also do this. Oh my god. अच्छा तू software engineer तो क्या पसंद है? अब क्योंकि लड़की और तुम्हारे पास सेम टॉपिक है ना कई बंदे उसी पे बात करने लग जाएंगे because the girl is doing software engineering I think. Not really bro. मतलब commonality है that's good enough. That just makes a connection in a कि ठीक है भाई ये बंदा I can relate to this guy a little bit. But you can also tease her on that. I was like I hate software engineering. Software engineering is shit. मैं तो झेल ही नहीं पाया तुम पता नहीं कैसे झेल रहे हो. That's teasing, right? Point is कि भाई you can do that as well. And that's actually a better way because that doesn't really give her a lot of power. And that's basically how it should happen. Ideally.
Not what I'm telling you. ये like जो है कि मुझे नहीं रहा. And just be like भाई आज से मैं वीडियो जॉकी. I'm like a news reporter. We someone that software engineering के साथ पता है it's like very it's repetitive and at the same time it just doesn't feel you are adding something. What motivates you to do software engineering?
I'm just going
Okay. So you have done G-Tech. You don't look the part, yeah. You don't look like that.
I mean,
I legit thought.
do software engineers look a certain way?
Yeah.
आवश्यक
I've been around software engineers all my life.
आपसे नम्र निवेदन
And I
है
was bored as shit.
कि आप अपने आसपास निगरानी रखें।
Well, we have been doing it for some time.
शेष रखें।
It's just
आपको अगर किसी व्यक्ति पर संदेह होता है
How many?
तो आप
Yeah, those times you lose health on there.
This girl was also like I don't know maybe उसकी असली personality बहुत अच्छी है but she was pretty boring है. कुछ खास बातें नहीं कर रही है सब वो सब. ठीक है I'm still pushing यार जो मैं कर सकता हूँ मैं तो वही कर रहा हूँ. Plowing कहते हैं इसको. Basically if the girl is not just getting super attracted एकदम से you keep plowing you keep yourself in the conversation and just keep throwing. अब again this is super funny to me man. I'm doing this I'm like अरे भाई छोड़ ही नहीं रहा हूँ. This is pretty good only ठीक है. अब एक और notice वो चीज़. I am doing this while ensuring that she's totally comfortable through it the whole time. If she's uncomfortable, because later in the conversation you'll say she's like, yeah, I have to go, I would want to go. मैं कहा ठीक है यार, you can go. I'm not stopping you. And she's like, I'm like absolutely fine. So the point is कि although I'm taking the conversation as far as possible, I'm ensuring that she's comfortable all the time. Bro, उसके comfort उस पे नहीं करना cost पे कुछ भी. She should be comfortable the whole time. ठीक है?
How you survive?
एक निशानी
I was like very good friends with the manager. Manager like, yeah, hi, अच्छा, don't do work, it's fine. That's all.
No, actually,
You were walking here, I was also walking here. I mean, hard.
अब notice करो, मैंने lead करना start किया. यार, you're working here, I also work here. No reason, nothing. Not be like, यार, can we go for a tea? नहीं. कई लोग क्या करते हैं ना, जिसमें उनको instant date के लिए कहता हूँ, boot camp से बहुत होता है. अभी पिछले boot camp पे भी हुआ था. I was like, भाई instant date करो instant. He's like, can we go for a tea? नहीं. You don't ask that. एंड इसीलिए मैं सेट में क्या करता हूँ ना जैसे मैं बूट कैंप पे था एक बार ये कल इसी बारी की बात है शायद ही वाज लाइक कैन वी गो फॉर अ टी मैंने कहा ब्रो ऐसे नहीं बोलना होता बंदी के सामने मैं ऐसे नहीं बोलना होता जस्ट फकिंग कीप वॉकिंग अगर चाय की प्लेस आई तो आस्क कर एट दैट टाइम लेट हर मेक द डिसीजन एंड द गर्ल लाफ्ड जो लाइक या ऐसे ही करना बेटर रहता जो भी है तो पॉइंट इज कि भाई लाइक दे नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग बट यू डोंट पुट अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन देम लाइक वुड यू लाइक टू गो फॉर टी एंड एवरीथिंग शी विल मेक अ डिसीजन व्हेन शी इज देयर शी विल थिंक अबाउट इट शी विल मेक अ डिसीजन उस टाइम पे ज्यादा बेटर वो है So I was just like, क्या कहता है? I was also walking there. Come walk for 2 seconds. अब she hesitates for a second. I just cleared it out. It's okay, यार. If you don't want, you cannot. It's fine anyway.
ठीक है यार, I'm not gonna follow you along if you don't want to. Yeah. हाँ, तो मैं भी वही metro तक I'll just drop you because I have to get back to my home. So you're a software engineer and you still don't hate it, even after 2 years. Are you sure you're not a mermaid? बस सिर्फ mermaids ही इतना खुश हो सकते हैं software engineering करके. You like ठीक है कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है बाद में पानी में जाना है not the case with you okay what do you do for fun
अब इस point पे ना she's like who's this guy who's fucking having this conversation with me not getting nervous around me मुझे lead करवा दिया now she's like मेरे को mention कर ही देना चाहिए कि मैं एक Instagram पे हूँ
I'm not sure if I must tell you my username, okay? But
what the fuck
I'm actually very famous on Instagram.
I mean हो गया यार I don't watch Instagram I don't
यार हो गया मैं कहा हो गया यार I don't want Instagram
You said na कि do well now.
Yeah. Great, यार, great. What do you do for other than?
उसने बोला कि I do videos ये वो. Basically she's trying to qualify. She's like trying to see. She's like trying to assert कि भाई मैं तो बहुत valuable हूँ. मैं बहुत अच्छी दिखने वाली हूँ. फिर मैं बहुत content creator हूँ. ये वो. Immediately fucking change the topic. ठीक है? And that's where she actually invested a little bit. क्योंकि भाई ऐसी चीज समझ लो. अगर समझ लो शाहरुख खान कहीं पे गया और उसको किसी ने एड्रेस नहीं किया है शाहरुख खान है, उसको बताना पड़ा मैं शाहरुख खान हूँ, मैं बहुत बड़ा फिल्म स्टार हूँ, तो भाई शाहरुख खान की वैल्यू थोड़ी कम हुई क्योंकि उसको बताना पड़ी वो चीज, राइट? इस केस में इस बंदे को बताना पड़ा है, ठीक है? तो दैट काइंड ऑफ रिड्यूस्ड हर वैल्यू अ लिटिल बिट. तो दैट हैपेंड एंड आई इमीडिएटली चेंज्ड द टॉपिक. अलग अच्छा ठीक है, बट व्हाट डू यू डू फॉर एंजॉयमेंट? मजे के लिए क्या करती हो तुम?
Other than the entertainment part. You मतलब do you do clubbing? What do you do for fun? You're not a clubbing person. Then what are you?
Study.
That's it. मतलब वो तो I will not be able to tell yet.
अभी यहाँ पे मैंने एक थोड़ी गलती करी. Maybe I was supplicating just a little bit. She was like, I'm a boring person. And she would be like, yeah, वो तो है. And just, you know, changing the topic and everything. She would be like, but यहाँ पे नहीं किया मैंने. I was like, अरे वो तो मैं बाद में बताऊंगा. I should be like, yeah, you are. But ठीक है. That would have made much of an impact.
I mean, ठीक है. I'm getting the vibes of it. The software engineering part definitely. So you are, but basically you software engineering and you just sit at home read books. Do you read books?
And we poetry.
Do you do poetry?
अब notice उसका investment ज़्यादा हो गया. Why? Because of वो जो Instagram influencer वाला उसको बताना पड़ा था. Right? देखो बंदियों के साथ क्या है ना bro, they think in the moment. In the sense उसने उस टाइम पे कुछ नहीं सोचा होगा, उस टाइम पे उसने कहा होगा हाई कौन लड़का 2 मिनट बात करेगा ठीक है फिर चला जाएगा. And now she is walking with me. When she is walking with me, she is giving her rational explanation of why I'm walking with this guy. Right? उसके दिमाग में अपनी कुछ perceived value. She's like, why am I walking with this guy? I'm this hot influencer, I'm this hot girl who's like इतना Instagram पे. Why am I walking with this guy? And the rationalization she'll give her is कि अरे probably because I'm either interested or this guy is interesting or maybe I'm having a conversation. So now she's winning, she's investing a little more in the conversation. तो basically you saw कि भाई बिल्कुल uninterested, बिल्कुल not talking से अब now she's investing.
Poetry as well. So will you write a poetry for me? You'll be like, oh my god, news anchor जो बताता था मुझे, who was very happy when I used to tell you बारिश होने वाली है. ऐसा कुछ.
इतनी नीच हरकतें कर रहा हूँ मैं. भाई साहब इतना नीच but ठीक है. This was funny for me. That's why. This is funny for me. That's why I do it basically. यार मैंने कहा कि what do you do? कहती poetry में कहा would you write poetry for me? वो लड़का वो ऐसे तो she laughed at it. I laughed at it. I thought funny. वही चीज है. but ठीक है आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Wish I was her, but I am not.
Come on यार, you could. I mean, you have read poetry ना, तो don't tell me कि इस टाइम में तुमने poetry पढ़ के अभी तक सीखी नहीं कि कैसे करनी है.
Yeah, I do poetry.
Is it good? Is your poetry good? It's decent.
People say that they like it.
People say that they like it. What do you like about it?
I just like reading it. Nothing else. I really love it.
You don't like to write poetry?
Like to read a lot. I mean, it's a mix. Sometimes when I'm in mood, I just write or I'll just think.
You know what I noticed about you? You're a
यहाँ पे गलती करी है. This is a clear problem. When she is investing, I should have let her invest. मैंने just उसके बारे में एक observation कर ली. And this I do a lot. I observe a lot. ठीक है. I mean, see, on and overall यार अगर मैं कहूँ पूरी conversation में this was like the only mistake that I see. इसके अलावा एक mistake वही कि मैं जब उसने बोला था कि she is boring, तो I could have said कि अरे हाँ वो तो हो दो but ठीक है आगे बढ़ते हैं. ठीक है. Like those are the two things. क्योंकि यहाँ पे ना I kind of see it was like यार वैसा ही है कि ना जैसे कई सारे बंदे करते हैं कि पहली बंदी मिली जल्दी से पकड़ लो वैसे क्या. She invested a little bit and I took it as the reward. उसी समय मैंने पकड़ लिया अरे ठीक है. I should have had let her invest a little more. थोड़ा सा और चैलेंज करता, थोड़ा और इन्वेस्ट करता एंड भाई she would have had stayed, she would have had loved the conversation. मैंने उसको वैलिडेशन दे दी. You are like this, you are like that, ये सब.
Be rational logical. You don't like fun conversation?
It's like people who be able to come to that conclusion.
I'm pretty fast at having a conversation. I'm pretty good at analyzing it. But I can tell you are a person who's like more into the logical side of things. She's like very rational, who likes to talk about deeper things. But you don't like surface level fun conversation, right? And I don't think that you're a very social person either. I think you socialize a lot, but I don't think you like it from the core. I could tell. That is kind of the vibe that I... Because you were like pretty much into the ये वाला part कि I don't like to do it. People talk about it जब मैं तुमसे poetry के बारे में We were not so much into when it was like the surface level. Let's connect.
She's like, okay, फिर bye. Let's connect. She's like, okay, फिर bye. I'm like, let's connect. अब देखो, भाई, I always have this rule. मेरे mentors ने मेरे को सिखाया, always be closing. If the conversation happened, if you talk even for a second, just try to go for the close. Just try to go for the number or Insta. It's fine if she doesn't give. It's absolutely fine, bro. And I'll tell you, bro, ये बहुत बार हुआ है मेरे साथ कि भाई बंदी नंबर क्लोज करी, इंस्टा क्लोज करी, and उसके 1 साल बाद मेरे को रीच आउट कर रही है, and we meet and we do things या जो भी है, डेट पे गए जो भी. The point is कि भाई it's always better to go for the close than to not. ठीक है? It's fine if it's messy. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Messy हो गया तो भी क्या फर्क पड़ता है? I asked her for the Insta and like she probably said no. तो देखते हैं कैसे बोला.
Man, if you wanna leave, you can leave. But you seem like an almost cool person.
What?
You seem like an almost cool person. Almost.
Kind of maybe, but I'm bored person. I'm boring person.
I mean, ठीक है यार, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. That's my job. That's not a girl's job. It's fine. Come on, you guys don't have to have a very good conversation skill either. You just need to be. I can understand. We can just connect and I'll just send you a text if you don't like it. Make me this. Okay, no problem.
तो उसको जा रही थी लाइक नहीं एक चीज और थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेनेशन कर दे बट लाइक ठीक है यार सी ऑन एन ओवरऑल लाइक इट वाज लाइक अ डिसेंट कन्वर्सेशन मतलब डिसेंट क्या है आई वाज एक्चुअली से इन टर्म्स ऑफ हैंडलिंग सिचुएशन आई थिंक दिस वाज प्रीटी गुड इट्स जस्ट दैट यार कभी कभार नहीं भाई बैड मैच नहीं होती तो नहीं होती यू कैन नॉट रियली सी गेम है भाई ठीक है यू टॉक टू पीपल यू मीट पीपल इट्स नॉट गोना हैपन ऑल द टाइम but if you look at just the conversation on an overall it was not really a very bad conversation ठीक है it seemed like a conversation it just happened it did happen and थोड़ा और इन्वेस्ट करवा देता तो बहुत सही होता बट लाइक क्या ठीक है आई डिड एवरीथिंग ऑन पॉइंट एक आध गलतियां करनी तो यार दैट कैन स्टिल बी इग्नोर्ड बिकॉज़ एज आई सेड इफ द गर्ल इज अट्रैक्टेड ना अ फ्यू मिस्टेक्स ऑफ योर्स वोंट रियली यू नो मेक अ डिफरेंस बट यार ठीक है यहाँ पे तो इट मेड अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस बट यूजुअली इट डजंट ठीक है हाँ ये बेटर करता तो यार ये रुक जाती काफी देर अट्रैक्टेड भी हो जाती मे बी कुछ अच्छी चीज हो जाती बट यस that is basically you know where it's at so that is the point guys a lot of things can happen and I hope you got to learn a lot from this infield mainly persistence handling objections handling situations plowing through कैसे करते हैं and leading करना ये सब वो सब and थोड़ी बहुत जो मैंने मिस्टेक करी वो भी मैंने डिस्क्राइब करी ठीक है further infields coming up as I said यार काफी infields हैं and it's going to be super fucking crazy बाकी मैं भी कहूँगा guys this is something that you can learn as well if you want to learn it just click the link and that will really help you बाकी if you haven't subscribed do subscribe मैं usually subscribe करने के लिए बोलता नहीं हूँ but that just came to my mind तो भाई subscribe करो if you haven't subscribed as I said very crazy content that's coming up a lot of infields 2 sets मतलब मैं और client बंदी से बात करें वो सब ऐसी a lot of infields are coming up guys so you are in for a surprise so see you guys in the next one bye